Hi everybody, it is 10:21 and 7 seconds on May 29th. This is the drawing for the Amazing Spider-Man 252 and Secret Wars 8 winner take all. Alright, the reason for this thing filled up in I think about 8 minutes. The reason for the slight delay was one person commented saying that they wanted to take the final 7 available spots. At the same time, or slightly before that, somebody, Michael, commented saying that he wanted spots 6 and 9. Due to Facebook lag, I constantly have to refresh the page, as I'm sure you guys do too, just to see when spots are filled. It happened one on top of the other that I missed that. So at that point, I had to delete spots 6 and 9 from Barney. I had to give Michael his spots 6 and 9 because he did comment first, which means Barney then got bumped to spots 4 and 5, which at the same time Dave was asking for spot 5. So on and so forth. But everything is correct based on the timestamps of when everybody requested their spots. So let's get this rolling. As you can see over there were the 14 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 10. Going to randomize 10 times. Name at the top of the list gets the book. And I want to get it out for you guys. Books, I should say. And I want to get it out in today's mail. Worst case scenario, it will go out on May 30th. So good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's the final one, 10. Spot 8. Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 10, just about turned 10:23.